The complexity of the nation's heinous history creates a difficult task for designers to provide culturally appropriate school furniture. Through examining Haiti closely, some issues were identified that determined a few design principles by which we designed. The first principle is that design must be able to be implemented by local communities and artisans, therefore not relying on government funding. The second principle is that the design should ideally be flexible and be able to be moved around the classroom if needed for a different purpose. The third design principle states that design should be comfortable and create and encourage community belonging through aesthetics and layout. And the fourth principle is to maximize opportunity of having a new start and ensuring accurate and authentic wants and needs of the local community designed for. The proposed layout eliminates students sitting at the end of the table so that those towards the back do not have a hindered view. In relation to the proposed layout, students will benefit from a group learning and increased teacher feedback and personal assistance. The new layout still possesses the sit and learn paradigm, with the teacher's area mostly limited to the front of the class. The group environment poses an option to branch into collaborative learning as required. The design aims to maximise learning in the often crowded and temporary learning environment. Design started with the focus being of most aid to the usually singular teacher. The self-supporting chalkboard doesn't require a wall or a backing support, just two ropes down the front of the board and behind the board. This is beneficial as since the earthquake earlier this year, many makeshift classes are held in tents. The folded up table can seat 2 high school aged or 4 primary aged children on each side. The chalkboard surface can be used if the school does not have any books available. The open position gives the teacher a chalkboard at the right height where the children are sitting on a chair or on the floor. It was understood that 2 elements that were constructed separately and later combined was the best method of increasing productivity and social sensitivity. When first implemented in Haiti, workshops will be held with the local people showing them how to use their welding skills for this project and teach others in the future. The females will sew multiple sleeves onto the frame from locally sourced fabric and then make the cassava resin that will harden the surface of the desk. The men will be making the rebar frame. The instructions are pictorial and can be understood by any person regardless of their education. The construction kit will be shipped from America. Gathering resources such as rebar from rubble and building products, a wheelbarrow was essential for the appropriate management of waste as well as transportation of removed rubble. By following the instructions, the user can make the wheelbarrow. For more information, go to www.imaginehaiti.squarespace.com.